Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we'll start with 8th standard lesson number 5 expansion formula. We'll start with exercise 5.1 question number 1 sum number 1. Okay, so here is the sum a plus 2 bracket a minus 1, a plus 2 bracket a minus 1 bracket. Okay, by using formula, so you have to by heart this whole formula. This formula is very easy. If you solve these sums, you will by heart by yourself only. Okay, so now compare this formula, this whole formula with this whole term. Okay, compare this formula with this whole term. Now write what is x, what is a, what is b. Chalo, we can see here x is repeated, so a is repeated. So can I write x is equals to a? Yes. Here a is not repeated, so here x is a is equals to 2. Now b is equals to minus 1. Okay, so now don't see this question, don't see, directly put these values into this formula. What is x? X is equals to a, so write a square plus what is a is 2 plus what is b? B is minus 1 into x. We have get x is equals to a plus a is 2 and b is minus 1, 2 into 1. Okay, so can we say it is right? Yes, a is x, again a 2 b minus 1 and x is a, again a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 1. So now हमने पूरे जो फॉर्मूला में है वैल्यूज डाल दिए हैं. नाउ जस्ट सॉल्व दिस. a square will be a square. Now plus will come as it is downside, 2 plus into minus, see, plus into minus, what will come? Plus into minus is equals to minus 1 a plus, sorry, yes, 2 into 1, what will come? 2 ones are 2, but it is minus, so minus 2 a square plus 2 minus 1 is 1 a plus into minus is minus 2. So we have got the answer a square, 1 a into 1 a minus 2. This is your final answer, a square a plus a minus 2. Okay, so it's very easy. Now I am explaining you it again. Put the values, whichever the values you have get. X is equals to a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 1. Put every value in this formula as it is and now solve. A square will be a square. Solve this plus and minus. Plus into minus is minus. As it is, it will come down. 2 into 1 is 2 and minus sign. 2 ones are 2, minus हो गया. ठीक है. Again, now this step. A square will come as it is. This will generate into minus, so 2 minus 1 will go to 1. Okay, it will be 1 and a as it is, 2 minus plus into minus is minus and 2 will come as it is down. Okay, so a square plus a, 1 into a is a and minus 2. Okay, so this is your answer. So now we'll solve next sum. Okay, so moving to our next sum, we have get m plus 2 by 3 m minus 7 by 3. This is, I think this is 7th one. Okay, m plus 2 by 3 m minus 7 by 3. So this sum seems difficult, but it is not actually difficult. It's very easy sum. Again write x, a and b. Write the values of x, write the values of a, write the values of b. Compare x with this formula and this terms. Okay, x is equals to m, yes, a is equals to 2 by 3 and b is equals to minus 7 by 3. Okay, you have to take this minus term because here there is no minus term. ओके, फॉर्मूला में माइनस टर्म नहीं है इसलिए आपको माइनस टर्म इसके साथ लेना है. ओके, सो नाउ add this whole values into this formula. Put this values x square, what is x, m square. Okay, plus what is a is 2 by 3, plus what is b is minus 7 by 3. Okay, giving it square bracket. A is 2 by 3, b is minus 7 by 3, and plus sign as it is will come down. Now what is x? X is again m, plus a is 2 by 3 into minus 7 by 3. Okay, so now we have put all the values inside this formula. Now solve. What will come? M square will be m square as it is, plus 2 by 3. Solve the plus minus solution first. Plus into minus will be minus 7 by 3. Okay, m plus 2 by 3 and 7 by 3. Now multiply this. 2 sevens will be 14. 3 3s will be 9. Okay, so this is the second last solution. Now m square will be m square. 3 is common for both of them, so answer will be minus 5 by 3. 7 minus 2 is 5 and the bigger number sign is minus, so minus 5 by 3 m. Here it will come 7 into 2 is equals to 14, minus 14. Okay, 7 into 2 is equals to minus 14 because the whole term, this term is minus, so plus into minus is equals to minus 14 upon 9. Okay, so this is the answer. This answer will get converted into m square. Plus minus is minus 5 by 3 m minus 14 upon 9. It's very easy. So now you have got the idea how to solve the expansion formulae. So we can solve all the exercise by using the same formula and just by comparing the terms. Just compare x, a and b, whatever the term it is given in the formula. Compare this with the terms given in your solution, given in your sums. Okay, and put it into the formula and you will find out the whole solution easily. आपको बस इसमें प्लस माइनस का सम करना है. ओके, सो नाउ you have understand everything. Thank you for watching.